Set 6.3 question number second example 3a plus 5b bracket cube minus 3a minus 5b bracket cube. It is in the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square in another bracket. Here this one is a and this one is b. So you will say that you have to utilize the identity a cube minus b cube. So a is equal to, I will write 3a plus 5b, and b is equal to, I will write 3a minus 5b. So you have to put value of a as 3a plus 5b and value of b as 3a minus 5b, and you have to solve the example. So here you have to put the value of a and b. At that time this become 3a plus 5b bracket cube minus 3a minus 5b bracket cube is equal to a minus b means 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus 5b. In another bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. This one is a square plus ab plus b square. Already I told in previous example, you have to utilize the simple identities or basic identities. A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b in one bracket multiplied by a minus b in another bracket is equal to a square minus b square. These three basic identities you have to utilize here. So you have to solve this bracket, means you have to solve the round bracket. So 3a plus 5b as it is you have to write. Outside the bracket minus sign, when you will solve the bracket, that time you have to change the sign. This plus 3a becomes minus 3a and minus 5b becomes plus 5b. Then in this bracket you have to utilize the identity a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square is equal to, you have to say that a square plus, you have to utilize this identity here, a plus b bracket square. So first term plus second term bracket square is equal to first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square, plus here you will expand this like this, then here you have to expand this 3a plus 5b in one bracket and 3a minus 5b in another bracket is equal to, so you have to say that this is in the form a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. At that time you will say that this becomes a square minus b square, 3a square minus 5b square, and here you have to utilize this identity, third identity you have to utilize a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2 into 3a into 5b plus 5b square, means first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. After that, if you will utilize the basic identities here, after that what you have to do, I will say that after solving this will come, till this will come. After solving this will come, and after solving this will come. After that you have to do the square and the squares and the product of the terms. So 3 square, this bracket you have to see here 3a plus 5b minus 3a plus 5b, here plus 3a minus 3a cancel. At that time what is remain? Plus 5b plus 5b. So you have to write this 5b plus 5b here. Then 3a square, here you have to do the square of the 3 also, square of the a also. This become 9a square. Here you have to do the product like this, 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. Otherwise you have to write the numeric terms together, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, a multiplied by b. After that variable term, afterwards you have to write a multiplied by b. This 5 square 25, b square, square of b is b square. This 3 square 9, square of a is a square. This 5 square 25, square of b is b square. So this becomes 25b square, plus this 3a square means 9a square, minus you have to write the numeric terms together, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by a multiplied by b. This 5 square is 25, square of b is b square. After that you have to do the product. This 5b plus 5b is equal to 10b. This 9a square as it is you have to write. Here you have to do the product, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30ab. this 25b square as it is you have to write, this 9a square as it is you have to write, minus 25b square as it is you have to write, plus 9a square as it is you have to write, this 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30ab minus 30ab as you have to write here, then 25b square as it is you have to write. Then you have to see the terms here, 9a plus 9a plus 9a you have to write together, 9a plus 9a plus 9a write together, then 30ab plus 30ab and minus 30ab you have to write here together. After that, what is remain, 25b square here you have to write, minus 25b square here you have to write, plus 25b square here you have to write. You have to see the like terms having the opposite sign, that you have to cancel. I will cancel this plus 30ab with minus 30ab because this is like terms having the opposite sign. This also plus 25b square minus 25b square you have to strike. Then at that time what is remain, this 10b as it is you have to write, this 9a plus 9a plus 9a square plus 9a square plus 9a square is equal to 27a square, and this 25b square as it is you have to write. After that you have to utilize the distributive law, 9b multiplied by this 7a square and 9b multiplied by this 25b square, you have to do the product. When you will do the product, at that time this becomes 10b multiplied by 27a square and 10b multiplied by 25b square. At that time you have to do the numeric terms product, 10 multiplied by 27 is equal to 270, a square multiplied by b is equal to a square b, 10 multiplied by 25 is equal to 250, b multiplied by b square is equal to b cube, and after solving this expression we will get the answer 270 a square b plus 250 b cube. I think you understand these things. You have to write these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.